Download beIN Sports IPTV M3U playlist 2025. Watching live sports has never been easier, thanks to IPTV technology. With an M3U playlist, you can stream all beIN Sports channels, including HD and Max channels, on any device with an IPTV player. Below is everything you need to know, along with download links for free test M3U playlists. What is an M3U playlist? An M3U playlist is a simple text file that contains a list of media stream URLs. You can use it to watch live TV channels, like beIN Sports, via media players such as VLC Media Player Windows, Mac OS, IPTV Smarters Android, iOS, Smart TV, TVmate Kodi Perfect Player. Features of beIN Sports IPTV M3U playlists: live streaming of all beIN Sports channels, Sports 1 to 16, News, Max, HD, etc., access to live football, tennis, Formula 1, and more. Compatible with all major IPTV apps and Smart TVs. Works worldwide. VPN recommended in restricted countries. Sample M3U playlist links free and test only. Disclaimer: these links are for educational and testing purposes only. They may stop working due to frequent updates or copyright issues. https://iptv-org.github.io/iptv/categories/sports.m3u https://ra.github user content.com/free hey/iptv/master/channels/b. M3U https://iptv.com/free/m3u/beIN_sports.m3u https://pastebin.com/ra/abcdef12 example only. Replace with updated link if needed. How to use the playlist using VLC Media Player, PC or Mac. Open VLC. Click on Media greater than Open Network Stream. Paste the M3U URL. Click play and enjoy your channels. Using IPTV Smarters or TVmate smartphone or Smart TV. Download IPTV Smarters or TVmate from your App Store. Choose to add a playlist or M3U URL. Paste the link and save. The channels will load automatically. Important notes: M3U playlists may expire quickly or become inactive. For a stable experience, consider using paid IPTV services with legal broadcasting rights. Always use a VPN when accessing IPTV playlists to ensure privacy and bypass regional restrictions. Want a custom playlist? Let me know your device: Android, iPhone, Smart TV, etc., and I can help create or recommend a playlist tailored to it. Would you like me to generate a custom M3U file for you to download directly? To access the links, simply go to the first comment and you'll find the links. All you have to do is go to the website,